Hey, what's going on, guys? Assault here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the onchange event. So its attributes file a movement when the value of the element is changed. So we can bind elements to it to the JavaScript. So how are we gonna do that? Just let me show you. What I'm gonna do is throw some elements. I'm gonna select I'm gonna create a select element which have three values. One will be RA, BMW, and Mercedes and Volvo. Two Germans, few Germans, and one Swedish car. After that, what I'm gonna do is create a script, and by default it would be a JavaScript. I'm not teaching you JavaScript, even though I can explain what that is. So, and yeah, I have a full tutorial on my on my what we call so, in my webpage, on my playlist, I mean. And then what we need to do is for x equals I'm gonna use the document element, or you can say DOM. So document dot get element, get element by ID, and we're gonna use select my select, this one, and we will take its value by using typing value after it, because it returns a string, which always is. Now what I'm gonna do is here you can see there is another ID of demo, and use what I'm gonna do use the again I'm gonna use the document element, get get element by ID, and inside that I'm gonna put some what we call demo. And now I will change its inner HTML, which is here it's nothing. So inner HTML to oh no, it's not inside, it will be here. So inner HTML, and it will be equals to you selected, you can like this, you selected what we call selected, and we're gonna concatenate with the what we call x, this value which we took earlier. And now I'm gonna call the function whenever it change. So on change, like, you can immediately call this function too without any problem, but you can't see this. So for that we need to bind with a function. So what we're gonna do that on change, and I'm gonna bind with my function which I created just literally now. So when I do that, wait, oh yeah, we forgot the call function. Yeah, now when we do this, you can see you selected Volvo, you selected Mercedes. Yeah, I'm gonna use here and a space, that would be better off. Like, do this, and you can see you selected Volvo, you selected Mercedes. So hope you guys understand. This is all about it. See you guys in the next tutorial.